Sure. My name is Mark Harris and I'm the CEO of Tshimologong.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Samsung worked with the government quite a while to look at what EIP programs can actually produce the type of results that government wants. So when we look at historically, this has been a 5-year journey. It's not a once-off program. So when you look at what the intent is, it's really about job creation, right? Now, in order to create jobs, this country had a legacy of where companies were saying they can't find the right skills in the market. That's no longer the case. If you look at this particular program, these are guys who have degrees. So this is not just about unemployed youth who don't have skills. These are guys who have degrees, but in South Africa it's very important for us to be able to train up the advanced skills that's actually required in the software engineering space. Because the basis of a lot of innovation that the country is so looking for, the basis of entrepreneurship, is around software engineering. And this is what we've equipped these students to do. We're very happy with the results that we see, because a lot of these are no longer students, they're alumni of these programs, and they've all ended up in the innovation space, in creative areas, developing the type of innovative solutions that will assist the economy in going forward. So it's quite interesting because we have to produce the impact report. So it's just part, whenever someone gives you grant funding or money to run programs, it's essential that you measure the output. So we do measure the outputs. I think our problem's not so much are they happy, the problem is they tend to try and recruit our students too early in their cycle. So yes, they're very happy. You had some of the references today. I think especially in software engineering, it's not sort of a once-off skill you can teach anybody. It is something that's continuous learning, and I think we also try and equip these students that this is the step that they take in order to become successful in the industry they choose going forward. So we get good feedback on that from our impact report. So it's evolved. We teach different type of software engineering, whether it's languages or methodologies, etc., in order to equip the students based on the market changes. But it will continuously so evolve. So we're having discussions with Samsung at the moment around some of the more newer requirements, which is about data science, it is about AI, it is about machine learning. So more and more those things will get built into what's the type of skills that's required. So design thinking was something that a few years ago, especially software engineers didn't think it was important. And you continuously have to evolve these programs as the industry changes, as technology changes, as new areas come in. So it's not a standard thing. I think before, if you taught people like very basic coding, it was good enough. It's now no longer good enough, right? We think of them as our own kids, so we try and keep them close to us. They all found jobs. We've had 100% success rate in what they did. But we create communities in many areas, not just in the software engineering space, in animation, in gaming, etc. And our intent is that these students come back. Some of them become recruiters from our cohorts, but that's also fine and well as they themselves become entrepreneurs in this market. No, I just think that the important thing around the program is that before, software engineering was the area of IT. And the problem now with things, not problem, but the opportunity is it's everything at the moment. It's around how companies evolved, whether you're talking business process, re-engineering. The grounding here is great because people move into different areas, not just into the technology space, and hopefully it gears them well for their future careers and entrepreneurial plays. I think if you look at it, you know, you have universities. The market is full of, call them coders, coding development companies. I think what we bring with someone like Samsung is the authenticity around the quality of the education, bringing in, changing, bringing in the newer technologies into their thinking. And we expose the kids to far broader than just one particular programming language. And as I say, you know, that importance with Samsung, because you need the, you know, the funders to be actively involved. They've been great partners for us in giving us the criticism of when the things need to change, or embracing the actual cohorts themselves. We do get some organizations that basically give the money and then they disappear on you, but Samsung's really been a great partner. Almost these kids feel like they Samsung people more than anything else, and that's been fantastic.